In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy planes in Aeronautica Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to purchase different types of aircrafts in Aeronautica. So you will be able to browse through all of them and choose one that you want to purchase. You will see the price and the jobs that it can perform. So when you join Aeronautica, the very first thing that you will see are these planes here. You can choose from any of them. So to keep it simple, the easiest way to get them is just to click on any of the planes that you see available and choose the option to buy. When you hover over them, you can see the jobs that they can perform. You will see the price displayed in WP over here, and you can acquire them for your account. So just select any of the planes that you would like to purchase. You will be able to change some colors over here, so you can customize it according to your preferences. You can go into advanced if you would like to modify all of these or just choose basic. And once you believe that you have a nice plane, choose the option to buy. Confirm the purchase, and you will have acquired that specific plane. You can do the same by going over to the vehicle database, and all of them will be present here as well. So you can preview all of them and then choose the option to buy. As long as you have enough currency, they will be added into your account. And you can use them when you have them selected here. I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to play them and how to manage all of the different aircrafts that you have available. I simply wanted to showcase how you could purchase your first one and future vehicles. And like I said, all of this can be done through the database. So click on any of them and you will see the option to buy if you have enough of the currency available in your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy planes in Aeronautica Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.